Hello, welcome to video 10. We will discuss Python classes in this video. Okay, so let's get straight away started with the subject with respect to classes. As I have told you, I am keeping the videos very short, 2 minutes to 10 minutes with respect to the concepts. Why? It's very easy for you to understand. It does not take too much time, and at the same time, revision is easy for you, and taking out 5 to 10 minutes is easy from day-to-day activity compared to 2 hours or 3 hours every day. Okay, so that's why. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so now for Python, if it has to recognize a class, the keyword for a class is CLASS class. Once you define it, it automatically detects that as a class. Okay, and now we will create a class, and we will create a class function to print the area of the circle and the perimeter of the circle. Okay, let's define circle and just name this. Okay, so this is the class keyword, and the name of the class is circle. The name of the class is circle. Okay, and enter. So now the circle class is created. Like inside that we can create a function. So now just we'll create a function as it is, like before we were doing. Define, that is def area. And what does area take? Area take the radius. Okay, radius of the circle. And before passing the argument, we have to pass self, because this is a function which is related to classes. That's why this self, what does it do is it stores the object's reference. Okay, so now, or it passes the objects there. I'll show you how it does. Okay, and I'll pass r is nothing but the radius of the circle. Okay, then what it has to return? This function has to return something, right? So we will return. Okay, I'll pass. Okay, 22 by 7, that is pi r square is the formula. Pi value is 22 by 7. Okay, r square, I will just say r into r. Okay, this can be done many ways, r into r. Okay, the function inside the class is ready. And now I have to see, I told you we will do two things. One is area and the other one is perimeter. Now we have to define perimeter, and again perimeter takes r. So self is the thing which you have to pass inside the class. Again r is the one. Okay, now formula, what it has to return. So perimeter formula is 2 pi r. The perimeter of a circle is nothing but the circumference of a circle. So that's why we use 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Okay, so this has to return this value. Okay, next. So I have defined two functions inside the class circle. So now I have to see how I can pull the area outside. Okay, see now print, I will call this class, that is circle circle dot, now I want area, and it is a function, and it takes the argument 4, that is value of that. Okay, that's it. Now when you print, it gives the area of the circle. It gives the, say, area of the circle is this much. So now if I have to print perimeter of the circle, and just pass this, and just pass perimeter, and I'll pass the value radius, which is nothing but 4. You can pass anything as radius. Okay, 1 second, I'll see what is the mistake. Yeah, your typing mistake I've done. Perimeter. Now you get the answer of that perimeter. So this is how the class is defined, and inside the class we have defined the class methods, or nothing but class functions which we call. So we can do one more classes like this. So now I want to calculate some power of some number. Okay. So what I do is I create a class called power. Okay. And inside that I will create a class method or class function. Okay, which is power, and again you want to pass three arguments, right? One is self, the other one is m, the other one is m. Okay, so next what happens, what has to be returned? So now power is nothing but what is n times m, so it has to return, okay, n star star m, because this is power, so n to the power of m has to be returned. Okay, so now I will call this by print. So what I say is print power. Power is the class and the function inside the class is pow, and it has to take two arguments, that is 2 comma 3, that is 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 8, so the answer has to be displayed as 8. We'll see it is displayed as 8. It is displayed as 8, you can see here. Yeah, so if I pass, you can pass bigger numbers also. If I pass power dot power of, so you want 3 to the power of 3, 3 comma 3, 3 to the power of 3 is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, so this has to display 27. So yeah, it's displayed 27. This is how we go for, okay, creating a class and its function. So if you want, we can create a class of user also. So I'll just create class and I'll just say user. Okay, the user should have his name, right? Okay, if this is the account which belongs to some bank and they store it as okay, we will take only, there will be so many things like name, account number and all those things, but to keep it simple we will take it as, okay, define init self. Okay, we will take name, age, we will take age, we will take only two parameters. Okay, and self name is nothing but self dot any name is any name, and self dot age is nothing but age. Okay, so now class is created and the function is also created. Now we will say we will create an object of the class. See, now I'll say p1 is the object of user and this contains, okay, Shri is the name of the user and his age is 45. Okay, so now if I want to print p1 dot age, okay, when I say print p1 dot name, it prints Shri. See, it prints Shri. And if I have to print age, I can print p1 dot age, so it prints 45. See, that's how it is. Fantastic guys, you're all winners. Thank you. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for my channel. Okay, thank you.